Hi guys, it's me again, Balu the trader, and today I'm gonna show you some really interesting trading ideas for the next few days or weeks. Let me show you. So I'm gonna start with the Euro USD. We can see that the Euro USD is going up really fast. So we are in an uptrend right now. I'm not sure if it's really want to go down again, but yeah, it was a nice idea, but unfortunately I missed this. Okay, so let's go to the next point. I think nothing special here on the Euro USD, so let's start with the GBP. Yes, the GBP is just finished. It's beautiful. Long position. It was pretty big. But there is no possible trade on this pair. So let's start. Well, let's continue with the NZD USD. Well, if you want to see the big picture of the New Zealand dollar and US dollar, you can see that this is a big downtrend. And here are some main levels. And I'm not sure because it's going up so quick as the other USD pairs, but I think here is something possible trade for short position. But if you want to ask me, I would prefer wait until you get a sign to change the trend. So not now, but later. Let's see the USD JPY. Yes, with the USD JPY, here was another beautiful trade. This was a long position. If you want to see the big picture, we are in an uptrend now and almost get the upper side of this trend line. So here's a lower, here's an upper trend line, and we are already there. So let's go to the Euro JPY. Yes, it was amazing break. If you can see on the daily on the Euro JPY, it's a pretty big green candles going upwards. So now let's just go back to the 4H. Okay, so there is nothing special here as well. On the Euro JPY, it was a nice position, and that's true for all the GBP pairs, or the JPY pairs, sorry. So all of them, they are going upwards pretty fast, and I'm not sure if it's gonna go down, but if it will, I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna make a video. Okay, so this is the CHF and JPY. Oh, so here's a beautiful short position. I just got in. Yeah, so I just got in this position somewhere here, and it's almost down with a big risk ratio, so it was pretty cool. Yeah, so let's see the GBP CHF. If you want to see the big picture, is going. Oh, it was a downtrend, but it's breakout somewhere here, and you can see that if it's really want to go down to this trend line somewhere here, you should have a buy position somewhere, but maybe later. Okay, Euro CHF, it's a downtrend and just break out the downtrend. So it's just going to start with a beautiful long position. I don't know where exactly, but somewhere here, I suppose. Yeah, so it could be a nice position if you really want to make a long position. So I'm gonna show you that somewhere we are now here. I usually use this. So here's the buy section, because we just have a breakout. We just test this level. It's an important level. We have just tested it, and after we can go up, maybe at this level, and this is going to be your stop loss level, the lowest high, the lowest point. And I think this could be a nice, yeah, that's a nice level. So this could be a possible trade, the Euro CHF. Okay. What about the AUD CHF? It's going up first pretty fast, and unfortunately I missed this trade, but no problem. It's gonna go higher, I suppose. So this could be another possible trade. Here are some important levels. So I'm gonna show you maybe on a 1 hour time frame. This could be a nice long position again, with a small risk ratio. And how does it look like? Yeah, it's really just up to there. If it's gonna break out from this level, from this trend line, and this could be another great support. So yeah, here's another long position. Let's go through the NZD CHF. If you can see in the big picture, we are going in a downtrend. It's pretty strict, but in this section somewhere, it has just breaked its zone. So maybe something just happening here, I'm not sure, but it looks like it's going to go upwards. In this section, I prefer wait until the price goes down somewhere here and maybe go up. So like this. So something like this. Okay. So what about the CAD CHF? I think here is a nice and possible trade on the CAD CHF if it's really want to go higher. But if you see the big picture, we are in a big downtrend, but we have just get out from here somewhere there. As my previous video, I showed you that this could be a nice long position, and it was. So I'm not sure if it's gonna make this level again, but it's not a big risk, so I think it's a possible trade for a long position. The Euro NZD, it's pretty tricky. Yeah, we are going up in an uptrend right now, something like this. And if you really want to know, I suppose this could be a nice downtrend, because here was a nice downtrend. It just breaks through, go to the next point, and here's the second point of the downtrend. So yeah, it's maybe it could be a nice sell position with a pretty big risk ratio. It's about 1:6 risk ratio. Okay, so let's see the GBP NZD. Yeah, GBP NZD, it was pretty tricky. It was not a great position. but unfortunately I was in this position, but next time. So yeah, it's a pretty tricky trade, and I wasn't sure it's gonna make. So let's go to the AUD NZD. If you want to see the big picture, that we are going in on that trend and just breaks through, and now we are going to start to go up. So somewhere, if the price wants to go down somewhere here, it could be a nice position for upwards, a long position. Let me show something like this. Yes, with at least minimum 1:3 ratio, or this can be much higher because here's a W pattern, so this can be the next point. So I think this trade can be amazing and pretty important for all of us. Okay, so let's go back to the Euro AUD. Yeah, here is the Euro AUD. It looks like a nice downtrend. Yeah, but from the bigger picture it's just a big uptrend, but we just break through this trend line. So after that it just started to go downwards. Yeah, I suppose this could be a nice position. Okay, GBP AUD. Well, I'm in this trade right now, and yeah, it's a really possible trade because we are in an uptrend. As you can see, the downtrend, here was a downtrend, but it just hit this point, hit this trend line, and after we're gonna go upwards with a pretty big 1:8 risk ratio. I think this could be a possible trade as well. So let's go to the USD CAD. Yeah, I'm in this trade right now with the USD CAD. I think it looks pretty possible. Again, it's almost 1:8 risk ratio. So yeah, just waiting until it's go downwards. Okay, what about the Euro CAD? Oh yeah, at Euro CAD. Yeah, at Euro CAD you can see that we are going downwards right now, according to the last few days, and I think here is a nice position for a sell position. So I would say that I just wait for until it's gonna break downwards, and after you can make a short position after you have a retest again. So something like this, but I suppose you can get it somewhere here, and it's gonna break and go downwards. Okay, the GBP CAD. Well, I thought that it's gonna be a nice sell position here, but unfortunately I missed this trade and it wasn't good. So let's just say we are continue the uptrend again. Somewhere here. So this is the sign of the uptrend, something like this. Yeah, so I prefer wait until it's gonna go down and maybe get in a nice long position, I don't know. Okay, the NZD CAD, it's pretty tricky, but I think it's pretty clear as well. So it's going downwards. if you will see the big picture of all that. Here is the last important zone, and if you are lucky you can get in again. I'm not sure if it's not gonna break out this level, but it looks like now it's going downwards until this point again. We're going to the lower and lower points. So first of all, I prefer once to wait until you get a sign for the sell position. But maybe on a 1 hour chart you can see that, yeah, you are long position, but yeah, something like this. This could be a nice okay. So what about the AUD can? It was a beautiful downtrend, and suddenly it just breaks through. I suppose it's going down, going upwards continuously. What about the Euro GBP? Yeah, this was my last trade in the previous video. It was pretty nice, and I think it's a pretty clear downtrend on the Euro GBP. So if you need something what's clear, you need to look for the Euro GBP and maybe make a short position somewhere. Somewhere here and to this point. So this could be a nice 1:3 risk ratio trade on the Euro GBP. I think here was my forecast for the week or the next few days, guys. So take care, and I hope that I can help you with this video. Be careful with trading. Try to risk not as many as most of the people do. So yeah, be careful and keep in touch. Goodbye, guys.